श्रीमान् वेंकटनाथार्य कवितार्के निधत्तां सदाहृदि ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे। शुद्धविज्ञानघनस्वरूपं विज्ञानविश्राणमतदेकं दयामध्यं दयाकरुणामरण्यं दयामयग्रीवं प्रपद्ये। शन्तु मे देवसदायादयाकटाक्षाः श्रोत्रैवं सामं करन्ते करस्मैकं विकामते श्रेष्ठवैष्णवतायु जिगीषतो मे कवितार्केन्द्रात्मपाकृतिमादरमकृतेयाः व्याख्यामुद्रां करतलसुते पुस्तकं शृङ्गचक्रे विद्रद्भिन्नस्मदिकृतिरे पुण्डरीके षण्णः व्याख्यामुद्रां करतलसे पुस्तकं शृङ्गचक्रे विद्रद्भिन्नस्मदिकृतिरे पुण्डरीके षण्णः अम्लानश्रेरं दुषुदेरं श्वेप्लावेन् मामावधूयात्मदेवावधीका आवर्तसिद्धिहेतो आवर्तसिद्धिहेतो प्रदायग्रीवसंसिद्धिभक्त्याग्रीवात्मगणनादेन once ready பண்ணதுக்கு may be useful for the students. Dear students, before going to next level, I want to give you some kind of practice. Once again, another practice. So, third person singular and plural. Okay. Read and understanding the following. So far, I have taught you saha tau te. Okay, I have taught you saha tau te. I have taught you saha tau te. Sa e taha. E tani. So far, I taught you this. Now, some more words, the same, version. He, she. I am introducing you. I am or Yeshaha, he. This. Okay? I am or Yeshaha. This. He, this. Only who is nearby. See, the thing is that who is nearby, not far away. Saha means slightly far away. That is the difference. This and that. Then plural. Ime, I am, ime. Eshaha, ete. Eshaha, ete. See, I am, eshaha. I am is I am eshaha. Same meaning. Same meaning. He. Plural of I am is ime. Ime. Plural of I am is ime. Ekaha. Ete. Plural. I am singular. Ime plural. Eshaha singular. Ete plural. But meaning is I am and Eshaha same meaning. Ime and ete same meaning. Saha tau te. Saha he. Tau they both. Te they all. So what's the difference between? See, I am, Eshaha, Saha. All three meaning is he. Only he. There's no difference in this. Okay? But the difference of I am, Eshaha, Saha. The difference is I am and Eshaha, this one who is nearby. Okay? He. Even. In Tamil, what we say? In Tamil, we say even. Okay? Even. We say in Tamil, no? Even, avan. Saha means avan. Saha means avan. Understood the difference? Now, ayam yeshaha he. Ime, ete, they all. Those who are nearby. Ivargal. Meaning in Tamil it is Ivargal. Okay. Ivargal. Saha, avan. Or our. Okay. Same meaning for both. No, same word for both. Avan, our. Avan, our. They. They. Avargal. In Tamil. Okay. In Tamil it is avargal. Asti is Irukkiran. Irukkiran. Irukkiral. Irukkiradhu. Irukkirar में इधे ना. Okay. Irukkirar. इधे meaning. इधे word ना. Irukkirar. Plural. Something is Irukkirar. Okay. Now, same way. Eshaha, ayam Ramaha asti, Eshaha Ramaha asti. Okay, he is Ram, this is Ram. Saha Krishnaha asti, Saha, that. he is Krishna. That is Krishna. Ayam Simhaha asti, Eshaha Simhaha asti. Saha Vyaghraha asti. Ayam Mayuraha asti, Eshaha Mayuraha asti. Saha Shukaha asti. That is the parrot. Ayam Balakaha asti, Eshaha Balakaha asti. Saha Chhatraha. Okay. Bahuvachan. Ime Chhatraha santi, Ete Chhatraha santi. They are students. These are. They are. In English, they are. These are without. Very rarely we do. Te balakaha santi. They are boys. The difference is these, those. Ime gajaha santi. Ete gajaha santi. Te svaha santi. They are elephants. They are horses. Ime chatakaha santi. Ete chatakaha santi. They are sparrows. Te kakaha santi. They are cows. They are crows. Ime mrigaha santi. Ete mrigaha santi. They are animals. These are animals. Te khagaha santi. They are birds. Those are birds. Read and understand the following. Okay? Let me read first, then I will give you a chance for all the students to read this. Okay? Ayam Ramaha asti, Eshaha Ramaha asti. Okay, we have to read it. Ayam Ramaha asti, Eshaha Ramaha asti. Eshaha Shighram Likhati. He is Ram. This is Ram. He writes fast. Saha Krishnaha asti, Saha Vegena Dhavati. That is Krishna. He is Krishna. He runs fast. Ayam Simhaha asti, Eshaha Simhaha asti. Eshaha Uchaihi Garjati. It is lion, or this is lion, or he is lion. Okay? The correct translation is he is lion. Or you can say this is lion or it is a lion. Okay, it is a lion. It is a lion. He roars loudly. It roars loudly as we wish. Saha Vyaghraha asti. Saha api Uchaihi Garjati. We say Eshaha Uchaihi. Saha api Uchaihi Garjati. He is tiger. This is tiger. He also roars loudly. Then Ayam Mayuraha asti. Eshaha Mayuraha asti. Eshaha Tatra Nrityati. This is peacock. He is a peacock. He dances there. It is a peacock. You can say it is a peacock. Dances there. Saha Shukaha asti. Saha Shukaha asti. Saha अत्र खादति, सः अत्र खादति. This is the parrot. He eats here. This eats here, or it eats here. अयं बालकः अस्ति, एषः बालकः अस्ति. एषः सायं खेलति. एषः बालकः अस्ति, अयं बालकः अस्ति. एषः सायं खेलति. He is boy. This is the boy. Okay? This is boy. This is the boy. He plays in the evening. सः छात्रः अस्ति. सः प्रातः पठति. सः छात्रः अस्ति. सः प्रातः पठति. He is student. He is a student. He reads in the morning. Okay? He reads in the morning. In this Bahuvachanam. इमे एते इमे एते इमे एते बालकाः सन्ति. इमे बालकाः सन्ति. एते धावन्ति. इमे धावन्ति. इति इमे बालकाः एते बालकाः. They are boys or these are boys. They run. They are boys. They run. ते नायकाः सन्ति.
I was reading plural. Ete ime, ime ete, ime chhatraha santi. These are students. Ete chhatraha santi. They are students. Te balakaha santi. They are boys. Balakaha boys. Ime gajaha santi. They are elephants. एते गजाः सन्ति. They are elephants. ते अश्वाः सन्ति. They are horses. इमे चटकाः सन्ति. They are चटकाः. इमे चटकाः सन्ति. They are sparrows. एते चटकाः सन्ति. They are sparrows. ते काकाः सन्ति. They are crows. इमे मृगाः सन्ति. They are animals. एते मृगाः सन्ति. They are animals. ते खगाः सन्ति. They are birds. Then next page for me again. Next page. Yeah.
இது வாடியன் இது
இப்ப படிச்சதுக்கு மேல வேணுமே.
இது கரெக்ட்டா?
இது முடிஞ்சிட்டோ?
இது முடிஞ்சிட்டோ அடியன்.
இந்த பாக்ஸுக்கு கீழே இருக்குது.
சட்டக்காக படிச்சு
முடிஞ்சு போச்சு. மயூரா சட்டக்கா எடுத்து இந்த இடம் தான் படிக்கணும். இந்த இடம் இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் மேல. இமே வானராக இது சிக்ஷகாக மேல இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் மேல. நாயகா இந்த இடம் தான் படிச்சுட்டு இருந்தேன். ஆக்சுவலா இந்த இடம் தான் படிச்சுட்டு இருந்தேன். ஏதே ஏதே ப்ளூரல். ஏதே பாலகாக சந்தி. இமே பாலகாக சந்தி. இமே தாவந்தி. ஏதே தாவந்தி. இமே தாவந்தி. தே ஆர் பாய்ஸ். தே ரன். தே ஆர் பாய்ஸ். தே ரன். அப்புறம் கீழே ते नायकाः सन्ति. They are leaders. ते देशं पालयन्ति. They are leaders. देशं पालयन्ति. They rule the country. इमे एते छात्राः सन्ति. इमे छात्राः सन्ति. They are students. அப்படியே நிறுத்திக்கோ. एते प्रातः पठन्ति. इमे प्रातः पठन्ति. They read in the morning. एते इमे same meaning. There is no difference in the meaning. ते शिक्षकाः सन्ति. ते पाठयन्ति. ते शिक्षकाः सन्ति. They are teachers. ते पाठयन्ति. They teach. அடுத்தது அப்படியே கொஞ்சம் கீழே. இமே அவ்வளவுதான். அப்படியே இமே ஏதே வானராக சந்தி. இமே வானராக சந்தி. एते इतस्ततः कूर्दन्ति इमे इतस्ततः कूर्दन्ति these are monkeys एते इमे these सन्ति or वानराः monkeys एते इमे these are इतस्ततः कूर्दन्ति jumping here and there एते हंसाः सन्ति they are swans एते उच्चैः कूजन्ति these all are swans ते उच्चैः कूजन्ति they chirp loudly एते पिकाः सन्ति इमे पिकाः सन्ति एते मधुरं कूजन्ति इमे मधुरं कूजन्ति they are cuckoo birds they are chirping sweetly ते कुक्कुराः सन्ति ते भषन्ति ते कुक्कुराः सन्ति they are dogs ते भषन्ति they bark okay अरे सेगमेंट और 5 நிமிஷம் பசங்க படிக்கிட்டோம் முதல் செக்மென்ட்ல இருந்து சிங்குலர்
ஆடியன்ஸ் மேம்
अरे இந்த अयम एषः ஏகவசனம்னு இருக்கு பாரு மேல अयम एषः रामः अरे
ஆடியன்
ओके आडियन अयम रामः अस्ति ही इज राम एषः रामः अस्ति ही इज राम सः कृष्णः अस्ति ही इज कृष्ण अयम सिंहः अस्ति एषः सिंहः अस्ति he is this is a lion सः व्याघ्रः अस्ति that is a tiger अयम मयूरः अस्ति एषः मयूरः अस्ति this is a peacock सः शुकः अस्ति that is a parrot अयम एषः बालकः अस्ति he is a boy सः छात्रः अस्ति that is a student
गुड उत्तम
नमस्कारम् अयं रामः अस्ति एषः रामः अस्ति he is Ram सः कृष्णः अस्ति he is Krishna अयं सिंहः अस्ति this is a lion एषः सिंहः अस्ति this is a lion सः व्याघ्रः अस्ति that is a tiger अयं मयूरः अस्ति एषः मयूरः अस्ति this is a peacock सः शुकः अस्ति that is a parrot अयं बालकः अस्ति एषः बालकः अस्ति this is a boy सः छात्रः अस्ति
வெரி குட் சுவாமி Q&A இருந்தா வச்சுக்கலாமா இந்த மெத்தட் அடுத்த கிளாஸ்ல படிக்கலாமா அடுத்த வாரம்
ஆடியன் சுவாமி ஆடியன் Q&A க்கு டைம் இருக்குமா ஆடியன்
தெரியல
பார்த்தா சுவாமி
2 minutes தான் ஏதோ லோஹித்ல ஏதோ கேட்கணும்னா we'll stop at 10 o'clock மீதி क्वेश्चंस இருந்தா நெக்ஸ்ட் வீக் கண்டினியூ
ஆடியன் Q&A க்கு ஆடியன் ஒரே நிமிஷம்
அடியன் கிளாஸ்க்கு அப்புறமா இந்த டாக்குமெண்ட் அனுப்புவீங்களா அடியன்
வரும்
अडियन एषः अयम एंड इमे एते வந்து சிங்குலரா மாஸ்குலைனா ஃபெமினைனா நியூட்டரா
மாஸ்குலைன் தான் கத்து கொடுத்திருக்கு அடுத்து வந்து ஃபெமினைன் நியூட்டர் ஜெண்டர் இனிமே தான் வரும்
ஓகே அப்பனா அடியன் சோ அடியன் அப்பனா இது தனியா ஃபெமினைனுக்கும் இருக்கா
ஃபெமினைனுக்கும் தனியா இருக்கு நியூட்டர் ஜெண்டருக்கும் தனியா இருக்கு
சோ அடியன் அதையும் அப்புறமா கத்து கொடுப்பீங்களா
அவசியம் கத்து கொடுப்பேன் கட்டாயம் கத்து கொடுப்பேன்
அடியன் அயமோட மீனிங் என்னது அடியன் அடியன் அயம் ஓட மீனிங்
he இவன் தமிழ்ல சொன்னா இவன்னு சொல்றது ayam yesha same meaning.
ஓகே அடியன். அதோட dual and plural என்னது அடியன்?
இல்ல வாய்ஸ் சரியில்லை, ரொம்ப லோவா இருக்கு.
அடியன் அதோட plural and dual form என்னது அடியன்?
dual form வேணுமா?
dual and plural அடியன்.
plural தான் கொடுத்திருக்கேன், இமே ஏதே.
ஓகே அடியன்.
द्विवचனம் வந்து இமௌ ஏதௌ.
அடியன் சுவாமி மீதி அடுத்த வாரம் வச்சுக்கலாம் அடியன்.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. सर्वस्तरतु दुर्गाणि, सर्वो भद्राणि पश्यतु, सर्वकामानवाप्नोतु, सर्वत्र नन्दतु. ओम शांति शांति शांति. अडियन